All right, to tint or not to tint, that is the question. And that's what we're gonna be talking about today. So should I keep my car as a fishbowl or should I tint the windows? I want your guys' opinion. Gonna go through some of the different laws and different things that I'm looking at. But tell me guys what you think in the comments below. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Gone in 60 here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate all the support. Appreciate all the views on the channel, the likes, the comments. Just thank you guys for being awesome. Today I want to go over a topic, and really it's a topic that I want all of your opinions on and help on, and it's whether or not I should tint the windows in my car. And you guys are all probably like, hey, this is a really easy conversation. Why haven't you done it yet? Like, what's going on? And so the getting down to it is, guys, I want to tint the windows in my Dodge Challenger. I honestly do. You know, here in Utah, they're kind of strict about it though. And I'm trying to debate whether or not to do this, and I need maybe a little bit of encouragement from some of my fans out there, and maybe some of you that have gone through this in your states and what you're kind of looking at. But here in the state of Utah, they allow your back windows, meaning, you know, kind of the back of your car, your rear windows, they allow you to tint them basically at whatever tint you want. And which, hey, that's great. You know, I'm a fan of. When it comes to tint, I like it all looking uniform, meaning I don't want it to, if it's a little bit lighter tint, then I want all the windows to look light. If it's darker, I want them all to be dark. I don't like it when you see like super dark and then light. I just don't think it looks very good. And that's kind of the dilemma that I'm faced with a little bit. So Utah, the back of the windows, back passenger windows, dark as you want. Front windows, the law is it has to allow more light in than 43%. And I'll try and show kind of like maybe a little bit of an image here of what that actually looks like. But guys, I have seen what 43 and above looks like, and it's honestly not a whole lot different than the window right here behind me. And for me, it's what I struggle with. If it really isn't doing much in terms of looks for the car, in terms of what it's doing, then why am I going to do it? And so at 43%, I don't know. I struggle with it, guys. So where I'm kind of at is I'm either going to do it and I'm going to tint it the darkness that I want and just run the risk, or I'm not going to do it. You know, every state is different in terms of how strict they are about their tint laws and everything. And I'm hoping some of my subscribers out there that you guys are from Utah or maybe have some experience at it. I did have one of my followers on Instagram kind of talk to me about tint. We kind of got in a conversation, and I wanted to say he was from Nevada and he got a ticket. He got pulled over here in Utah. A lot of states have these laws and they're very like loose with them. They don't really enforce them. They don't really, you know, pull you over for it. But I can assure you here in Utah, I don't know why it's such a big problem, but they're very aggressive here in Utah in giving you a ticket. And so I'm really not wanting to put tint on my car, then have to remove it after I get a ticket. Or maybe some of you out there just pay the ticket and you just can continue on your way until they force you to take it off of there. And so I'm in this dilemma, and I've been in this dilemma for the last year since I've bought the car. It is coming up on winter time here, so I'm not overly concerned about getting it done soon. But, you know, sometimes people say, hey, without tint, your car kind of looks like a fishbowl. I do think where I have my side markers tinted and different things, that tint would actually look really good on the car. And so, guys, I need your help. I need your opinion. What would you guys do? No tint, knowing the laws here in Utah, Would you tint it what you want and just run the risk of, hey, come what may, you know, if you get a ticket, you get a ticket. If you have to get it taken off, you have to get it taken off. I need some help, guys. I need some nudge in a certain direction. So that's something that, you know, I would love your guys' support below in the comments. Let me know what you think. I just want to make sure whatever I do that I feel good about it, that, you know, it makes the car look better. It's, you know, it's doing what I want. I really don't understand the issue with having your tint too dark, especially here in Utah. I don't understand it. So guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you guys are new to watching my video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. About right now, 80% of the views on my channel are coming from people that aren't subscribed to it. So if you guys like this video, make sure and subscribe. Really helps me out. Really appreciate it. We do a lot of car content on here, especially around my Dodge Challenger. Do some product reviews in terms of detailing products. But thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for all that you do. We're well on our way to 1,000 subscribers. The channel just keeps growing day after day. So thank you guys for the support, and we'll catch you next time.